India is a land of rural and agrarian economy. Despite large-scale urbanization, the real India still lives in villages. Over 70% of its people make a living by agricultural activities. India, through the hard toils of its farmers, edged a green revolution. Thanks to the modern equipments and latest innovations which helped many farmers feed the nation and prosper. Dashmesh, the right hand of a farmer. Dashmesh is one such silent contributor to the growing farming community. Since 1970, from the year of its advent, it has been consistently fulfilling the aspirations of the agrarian masses. Raised by the visionary entrepreneur Sardar Amar Singh and duly supported by his three able brothers Sardar Karnail Singh, Sardar Mohan Singh and Sardar Harpal Singh.
दशमेश कंबाइंज में हम कई सालों से हाई परफॉर्मेंस कंबाइंज बना रहे हैं, जिसके लिए हमारी कंपनी को नेशनल अवार्ड मिला है। हम अपने कस्टमर को वैल्यू फॉर मनी प्रोडक्ट देते हैं और आगे भी लगातार क्वालिटी इंप्रूवमेंट करने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध हैं।
Dashmesh revolutionized the agricultural sector by introducing some of the radical milestones in the field of state-of-the-art harvesting. The company is a leader of repute in the agricultural products like self-harvester combine, tractor-driven harvester combine, track-type combine harvester, maize harvester combine, rotavator and other agricultural equipments. The quality, the performance, the durability and the convenience programmed in the Dashmesh products have made it an uncrowned leader, predominantly in the states of Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and many other states. The milestones are many. Yet it all began with a humble step when Dashmesh started its operations in 1970s. With the manufacturing of cultivators and small agricultural implements. Mr. Amar Singh founded the firm Dashmesh Mechanical Works initially in Sikandarpura near Malerkotla. However, in 1980, it was shifted to ultra-modern plant at Raikot Road, Malerkotla. After a continuous stint with small equipments, the company took a big leap in 1985 and rolled out its first self-harvester combine, which proved to be a major success.
हमारे R&D डिपार्टमेंट में लगातार वर्क चलता रहता है ताकि हम वर्ल्ड की लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी में अपडेट होते रहें।
The company employs some of the most latest techniques and tools in the company like CNC lathe, CNC bending machine, VMC, HMC, plasma sheet cutting machine, laser cutting machine, turret punch, MIG welding and spot welding with Robit. The sparkling range of meticulously designed Dashmesh products include some of the marvels of agro trade. The Dashmesh products include Dashmesh 9100 multi-crop self-combine harvester with straw walker system for harvesting wheat, paddy, soybean, gram and pulses. Dashmesh 6100 multi-crop combine harvester with axial flow system for harvesting maize, wheat, paddy and soybean. Dashmesh 7100 mini combine harvester for harvesting wheat, paddy, gram and pulses. Dashmesh 726 track type combine harvester with axial flow straw walker for paddy. It's highly efficient in wet land only. Dashmesh 913 tractor driven combine harvester for harvesting wheat and paddy. Dashmesh 912 4x4 tractor driven combine harvester for harvesting wheat, paddy, soybean, grams and pulses. Dashmesh 517 straw reaper for making straw from stubbles of wheat after combine harvesting. Dashmesh 642 rotavator etc. Dashmesh Mechanical Works Private Limited has over 25% market share in harvester combines. It sells over 1,000 harvester combines each year. Over 15,000 satisfied customers are the brand users who help in selling our products by word of mouth.
दशमेश कंबाइन की बढ़ती हुई मांग को देखते हुए हम अपना नेटवर्क बढ़ा रहे हैं ताकि हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा गाँव, शहरों और देशों तक पहुँच सकें।
The entire production process ensures impeccable quality at the most affordable cost. Quality norms are strictly adhered to at each step of production. As a result, the Smash products have earned many certifications of repute, testifying the company's claim of product superiority. ISO 9001-2008 is one amongst many, which is certified by reputed International Certification Authority TÜV Germany. Our products are tested and approved from the Government of India Testing Institute at Budni and Hisar, Ministry of Agriculture.
हमारी कंपनी की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के दौरान किसी भी स्टेज पर क्वालिटी से समझौता ना हो, इसलिए हम लगातार क्वालिटी चेक करते रहते हैं ताकि कस्टमर को मिले हाई परफॉर्मेंस प्रोडक्ट।
For our service to the nation and our role in furtherance of the growth of the farming community, we have been bestowed with various awards and honors, to name a few. Udyog Bhushan Award by Government of India in 1999. National Award 2010 given by the President of India at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. Udyog Bharti Award 2011 organized by All India Business Community Foundation, New Delhi. Best Agricultural Entrepreneurship Award presented by Honorable CM of Punjab Sardar Prakash Singh Badal, awarded by the Economic Times as Leader of Tomorrow. Apart from them, some of the prizes given to us are India Today as Business Wizards. First prize in Indo-Pak International Expo at Amritsar in 2005 by PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industries. The Smash is proud to have a country-wide dealer-distributor network, ensuring super convenient sales and service along with flawless supply of spares. The solid footprint in major cities and towns of India gives the Smash a definitive edge over its competitors.
द स्मेश कंबाइन के वर्ल्ड क्लास मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लांट में कंबाइन हार्वेस्टर के सभी पुर्जे लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी और कंप्यूटराइज सिस्टम से तैयार होते हैं।
Today, these products are currently being exported to over 10 countries. With growing demand and rising exports, the company is contemplating expanding its production facilities. It's expanding its dealer and service network in the vacant areas. The Smash is proud to be the #1 combined manufacturer unit of the region.
हमारी कंपनी के एम्प्लॉइज़ एक फैमिली मेम्बर की तरह हैं। हमारे एम्प्लॉय को सही वर्किंग कंडीशन मिले, हम इस बात का पूरा ध्यान रखते हैं।
It's contemplating newer products, newer innovations with the sole aim of serving the nation and its hard-working tilling community to bring about food grain revolution in the country. The Smash is committed to the nation and its farming community with a dream to empower every farmer of the country with the most modern cropping tools.